We have Ethereum symbol ETH versus the dollar, and of course, it goes without saying that Bitcoin's probably gonna run the biases here, and it's probably easy to watch Bitcoin back above $45,000. This one probably does put in a move somewhere around about 34 to 34.50 or so. And by extension, Bitcoin's probably gonna be run off traditional marks, and traditional marks gonna be by extension run off by whatever the fucking Fed's doing as usual. Anyway, so with that said, if we go down to the lower term timeframes right here, we do see that this one is gonna have a chance to close on new highs anywhere above 31.80 on a 4-hour delta closure. I would be looking for an extension all the way back up and play out that move somewhere between about 33.50 to 34.50 actually. Do we have a bit of a formation going on right here? Not necessarily, no. We got a bit of a BART to be fair, but there's no measure moves to be made off of BART. By the way, 4-hour Joule got the lows really fucking well in this one, which I did not call out on both Bitcoin and Ethereum right there. And volatility is starting to rise alongside, what does seem to be a bit of a short-term time frame reversal. Let's go check out momentum oscillators over here and see if they agree or see if they don't agree. And let's see, 4 hours going to be up as long as above 29.30, looking rather likely right now. Hourly is going to be up if we do close above 31.65, and 12-hour is going to be freshly actually crossing up as long as above about 28, and daily is going to be freshly up as long as above 29.75. A lot of things kind of pinned around that region, and I would say that I am essentially short-term. I probably would be looking for a bullish resolution of this, or at least I would invalidate this more importantly with any sort of a 4-hour closure below about $3,000 right here. Below there, I would be looking for this one to not just fail this current area and put another lower high. I'd be looking for this one to retest the lows after that, somewhere around about 2,800, probably another small bounce there, and then very likely continuation, to, well, the weekly targets after that. In this case, somewhere, should I even say it, into the mid 2000s. However, again, a lot is going to be pinned around what traditional markets do this week, and obviously the quarterly is coming up on Thursday as well. And for right now, how's Ethereum looking like on the quarterly? Looking pretty damn good actually. Any sort of a closure, especially here or higher, or even just above $3,000, going to look pretty damn good coming into end of year. And also, no, sorry, the 6 month is not closing. What about the 5 day? 5 days okay. Not really getting too much from that. Daily does suggest a little bit of upside here as well, actually. So I do think that BULAs do have a chance here, but I would not be calling a bear trap on this one and saying that they're out of the woods. I hate that term, but I wouldn't be saying that this one's ready to pretty much go back to prior all-time highs and probably make new all-time highs in October, as long as you're below, especially about 3,600 or so. So short term, you can see how that can bleed in, and it is more upside angled right here, absolutely. Could I maybe make an assessment earlier than that? Again, it's easy to watch Bitcoin. Go over here, and if Bitcoin starts to get back above about 47.5 to 48,000 you're probably going to see Ethereum pull through, and you can start to look for moves back around the prior highs of this current rally, which was just shy of 4,000 bucks. Sometime around end of week, and I imagine that's probably when we do see a lot of this price action postulated around. So hopefully that was helpful on Ethereum. Again, invalidation is very cleanly and obviously below about 3,000 bucks on a 4-hour closure below there. I think hopium is over for the time being, at least for the next few weeks, and we go much lower into the mid to low $2,000 territory. Anyways, hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for Ethereum.